In total, we have marked 570 plus waterfalls in the Western Ghats, Western Coast region of Karnataka. 300 plus of these 570 waterfalls you won't even find on Google Maps as of November 2024. Now let's zoom towards the waterfalls which we call as Z5 waterfalls. So it's called Z5 because it's the fifth unknown waterfall in group Z. So we have group A, group B, group C, such that group up to group Z. So we have split these 570 waterfalls into 26 groups, and so this is the fifth unknown waterfall in that group, in the group Z. So this is how it looks. So this is the satellite image from November 2017. So this is the same that we see in the background. This is the waterfall. So at this stage it could be as tall as 200 feet. So it's quite a tall waterfall, but it is unmarked, unknown waterfall, unnamed also, so we call it Z5. So, and this is how it looks from across the valley. There is this village called Kolik across the valley. So this is the Kolik village across the valley, and this is how it looks from across the valley from Kolik village. Actually, Kolik village is also a waterfall. If you stand on that waterfall, this is what we see on the opposite mountains. But on Google Maps, the Kolik waterfalls is marked. It's a named waterfall, but the photograph associated is with it is of the Z5. It's not the Kolik waterfall. It's what we see from the Kolik waterfalls. So this is how the Kolik waterfalls itself looks. So this is the first stage of the waterfalls, and then there is a large drop. So if we stand near the drop, this is the waterfall we see. This is on the opposite mountain. This is the Z5 waterfall. So this is one of the large drop in the Kolik waterfall. This is how we see the Kolik waterfall from the opposite mountains, from a place called the Swapnavel viewpoint. So like this thin streak of water in the opposite mountains along this Tilari river valley. So this is the Kolik waterfall. Yeah, but on Google Maps the Kolik waterfall is associated with the wrong photograph. And so Z5 is also close to this. This is the Swapnavel viewpoint. It's close to the Swapnavel viewpoint, but Swapnavel viewpoint also has these waterfalls. So here it could be as tall as say 100 feet or something, and also there are many other falls downstream. And this is at the beginning. This is where the people go here to actually enjoy the view of the mountain and the valley, and not because that there is a waterfall. But incidentally there happens to be a waterfall, and so this is also an unnamed, unknown waterfall. So we call it as Swapnavel waterfalls because it's near Swapnavel viewpoint and Swapnavel resorts. So this is how it looks, November 2017 satellite image. So this is the beautiful view that people go for. This is the this is as seen from the Swapnavel viewpoint, and this is also close to another waterfall called Tilari Iru Click. Sometimes it shows as permanently banned, and some other name called Anmol, Tilari Anmol Falls 0 appears. So this is the first stage of the water. What is seen in the picture, insect picture, is the very first stage of the waterfall here. It's a so that's where the people go. This is the base of that first stage of the waterfall. But we see in the satellite images that there are more stages to this waterfall. There is one here and there is one larger here. It could be like 150, 200 feet or something. And there may be other smaller falls downstream. So yeah, this is a very interesting place. This is near Tilari Ghat, and another and this is the Tilari river. This is the Tilari Ghat, and this is the Tilari river. And another interesting feature is this place called Dhamane es Bailur. This is actually an exclave of Karnataka. It belongs to Belgaum district of Karnataka, but it lies entirely inside Maharashtra. So it's called an exclave of Karnataka, not an enclave. It's an exclave. So this, whatever is inside this white border is entirely Karnataka, but outside it's all Maharashtra. So this is the Karnataka Maharashtra border. This side is Maharashtra, this side is Karnataka, but this is a part of Karnataka inside Maharashtra. So yeah, so if you want to get more accurate information about the waterfalls, like how this is a mistake, like whatever the place marker is correct, that there is a waterfalls here, Kolik waterfall, but it doesn't look like this. It's the Z5 waterfall which looks like that, which is across the valley from Kolik waterfall, and Kolik also has a waterfall. So if you want to get such accurate information, if you want to get the copy of the pin locations and other details about these waterfalls, please mail us at neofizix@gmail.com. Thank you.